Good day everyone, and we are
Tony ako.
and today we will discuss how the poor timeline industrial age, electronic age, information age, communicate. The pre-industrial age lasted before the 1700s. During this period, people communicate through cave paintings, smoke signals, symbols, handwritten, and manuscripts, and messengers. Information travels slowly because message had to be delivered by people or animals. Communication was limited to local communities and nearby regions.
Secondly, the industrial age began in the 1700s and continued into the early 1900s. The invention of the printing press and newspaper, telegraph, and telephone greatly improved communication. Information could now reach larger audience more quickly. People were able to communicate over long distances without traveling.
Thirdly, electronic age started in the 1930s. Technologies such as radio, television, and early computers allowed information to be transmitted in electronically. News and entertainment could be shared instantly with millions of people. Communication became faster and more widespread than ever before.
Lastly, the information age began in the late 20th centuries and continues today. The internet, smartphones, social media, and digital platforms allow people to communicate instantly across the world.